Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about this. $12,791 on my Apex accounts, all 20 of them. I traded just a little bit. Didn't really hit it much. I was actually really kind of concerned about trading today with FOMC. I traded just a little bit before FOMC, and then I took a couple trades after, um, probably about a half hour after FOMC was announced. And I went and took just a couple quick scalps. It was moving really fast. It's still moving really fast. And I traded NQ and I traded ES today. I traded both of them. I probably made more money on ES than I did NQ today. I went to ES mainly because it was trading a little bit slower. So it allowed me to get in the trade and be able to manage it a little bit better. The stops, you had to have high stops today, so you were really taking big chances on getting in on trading any today after FOMC because they were just, I mean, it was erratic. Even right now, it's kind of calmed down, but now you're back into chop. But this is how we traded it, and let's take a look at our Excel sheet that I make. Here's all of the prices. And you notice there is a little bit more up in here than there is down here. I actually, on this one down here, I had it trading by itself a couple of times. I had a couple of losses on it, and that's why it got a little bit less. And then these up here, the slippage just kind of got it. The slippage was unreal. And so it was really hard today as far as when you get in, the price would move so fast by the time the trade copier got all the entries over to the other, there's like a second or two delay sometimes. And when that happens, you're going to have that slippage. So there was a little bit of difference in there. Still a good day, $12,791.25. That's after that's actually total. And I traded a couple of times on the micros just to get the feel of how the market was doing as far as slippage on the stops. And that's why the 25 cents in there. Time you take out commissions, we're at $12,759.41. That is today. Again, these are live accounts. You can see the PA. These are my live 20 accounts. They're $50,000 accounts. I trade usually 1 to 3 contracts. Today I was just trading one, and it actually did really well. I was real pleased with it. I'm happy with it overall. There is a little bit of problems every now and then with Apex with the slippage with making orders that shouldn't be there. I've heard a lot of people today complaining about blowing up accounts because they didn't know they had orders in. And I'm going to make a course. I'm going to make it public to everybody, and it teaches you how to use the Apex accounts and how to trade it, the system that I use and so forth. And it actually works really well. You have to be careful because the orders will pop up on you. The way I do mine is I have my positions tab here, I have my orders tab here, I have an executions tab here where I can see what I've actually done. But as long as this is empty and this is empty with no colors in it, then we're pretty good. A lot of times I will go ahead and cancel orders. Just click that just to make sure there's no pending orders. I also check my R Trader. I check my R Trader, make sure there's no recent working orders in there. And also, when I get done with everything, I go to the Apex site. When I'm completely done trading, I go to the Apex site, I click flatten accounts, and whenever I do that, just to make sure that everything is flattened. That's my precautions that I do. So it actually worked out really well. How do you get all of this stuff? What does all this mean? This is the Ninja Suite. This is a package of indicators, bots, training, Discord, everything. It actually works really well. We've got a lot of people making a lot of money in it. Today, one person made $5,000 just off of one bot. It was pretty good. And we come up with another bot. I posted a video earlier today of 3,030. It was 3,300, I think it was. That bot actually finished up. I turned it back on, and it finished up over $5,000 in about 30 more minutes. So then I turned it off. So it actually did really well. It was $5,000 a trade, 10 contracts, and it actually did real well. Real pleased with it. It does $375 a trade, and today was 100% win rate. It's been 100% win rate for a while now. Um, but it's not a bot that people normally trade. But anyway, you come up here to Spy Money LLC, you go to the Ninja Suite. When you go to the Ninja Suite, you can click right here and you can lease the bot from there. If you scroll down, this is a little video about how it works. And this one right here is it comes with a lot more indicators than what are here. Our number one bot is the SpyBot Suite Scalper. That's our number one. It works really well. And we've got live training. We've got our Discord. Here's a bunch of frequently asked questions that I get asked every day. You can pause this, kind of look through it, or just go to my website and look at it. A lot of people every day I get emails. Can I lease one indicator or one bot? No, it's a complete package. It's either all or none. It's the package is really good. It works really well for people. And the Discord, another one. A lot of people want to get into the Discord ahead of time to see what's going on. I don't do that. It's not open to the public. It's only open to the Ninja Suite members. And the reason it is because we talk about private information that's not shared with the public, and we don't want the drama. We just want to keep it all out, and so we don't open to the public. Go through that, take a look at that, see what you think. Does this work with funded accounts? Yes, every product we have works with a funded account. The Apex is our number one. Here's a comparison. You can kind of go through and compare the two. By far, Apex is the better of the two. If you go to Apex, click on this. You scroll down. The one you want is the $50,000 account. That's the one that I recommend for you. Right here is a coupon code, so copy that, and you'll get it for $83.50. Another one, if you're going to run that other bot that we're doing, you can run the $300,000 account, and you can easily make $3,000 to $5,000 per day. You need $20,000, so that's over the course of 4 or 5 days that you can actually pass this. You need to pass it within 7 days, so it actually does really well. Real pleased with that bot, how it's working. Still got a little bit I want to work on, but for the most part, it works pretty good. It's been a 100% win rate for a while now. UProfit, it has a 40%, so if you click on that one, you scroll down, you got different ones here. Apex is definitely better between the two, but you do get the 40% off on there. Customer support with Apex is second to none. So that'll help you out. Again, you get 90% payout on Apex. You only get 80% on UProfit. And you get 100% up to $25,000. And with Apex or UProfit, you only get 100% up to $8,000. You get paid in about the same time. And if you need to talk to me, just go up here to the Contact Us. Fill this information out. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number in and put what time Eastern time that you'd like me to call. And we'll try to get with you and talk to you and see what we can do to answer your questions. If you just have some questions, just type them in. I'll respond back to you pretty quick, help you out. And again, the Ninja Suite, click right there. And this is where you lease it. So it actually is easy to get involved. One of the big questions I get is how long before I make money? Every trader is different. If you're familiar with NinjaTrader and you know how to use NinjaTrader, the learning curve is much faster. And you can usually get to a live account within a couple of days. If you don't know NinjaTrader, it depends on how quick of a learner you are. NinjaTrader is not really that hard, but it is something to learn. Usually the people that don't know how to use NinjaTrader, it's usually a couple of weeks by the time they get through NinjaTrader, get everything done, and kind of learn it. So it's like a new trader, it's a couple of weeks before you're trading live usually. How do we install all of the indicators and so forth? I have a full backup. So what you'll end up doing is once you lease it, you'll have access to it, and you import it into your Ninja Suite or into the NinjaTrader. And when you import it in, everything that we have will be on your system. It doesn't affect your other indicators and stuff, all the other third-party information that you have. It doesn't have anything to do with that, but it's a one import. It takes about, I don't know, maybe a minute, and it's all done. So it gets all the bots, all the indicators, toolbars, everything installed immediately. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let's end this off with $12,791. We'll bring this back down. Look at that right there. It all adds up. $12,791.25. If you made this every day, you would make $3.2 million a year. 3.2 million a year. Monthly is 268,000. It's 63,000 a week. That's if you made this exact amount every single day. So, if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Be happy to get you started. Let's start this, end this new year off good and start the new year off even better. Have a great day.